A gold coin or bar represents work that is already done. When you own it, you have real value.
Okay, so what makes gold and silver so unique? Like, why is it the ultimate safe haven asset?
Well, gold and silver are highly liquid and universally accepted. So they both had value in every corner of the globe throughout history, and they can easily be converted into currency cash anywhere on the globe at any time. They both have intrinsic value and scarcity. Only so much exists, and it's very difficult to produce. It's difficult to inflate or devalue. They are incredibly durable. And gold in particular is universally recognized as a store of wealth. The other thing to understand is that with precious metals, there is no counterparty risk. And what I mean by that is that the value doesn't depend on the solvency of any issuer, government, or institution. Dollars and other currencies are fully dependent upon the solvency of the government or the agency that issues them. Think about our debt right now as a country. We're $38 trillion in debt. Doesn't seem very solvent. The value of stocks and bonds and all other financial instruments depends on the solvency of the issuer. Think Lehman Brothers or Enron. These companies were solvent and then they weren't. A gold coin or bar represents work that is already done. Somebody's already worked the land, bought the equipment, spent the fuel money, and extracted these metals from the earth, and it's done. It's over with. When you own it, you have real value. Gold and silver are great diversifiers because they have a negative correlation. The price moves inversely to assets like equities. So when stocks go down, gold generally goes up. When currencies go down, gold goes up. So they're a great hedge against failing markets. And finally, they perform exceptionally well in times of crisis, during financial panics and currency declines. So if you were to look at a gold chart of the last, say, starting with in the 70s, all right, the energy crisis of 1979, you can pick that out on a gold chart because it starts to go up. After 9/11, the recession after that, there's a steady climb for gold and silver. In 2008, the Great Recession, that began a really long climb for gold and silver, which beginning in 2022 has kind of gone like that. And so yesterday, gold hit an all-time high, north of $4,000. Today, silver's back above $50 an ounce.